ChatGPT has become a part of my normal workflow. I use it all day, every day. I use it so much so to the point where I am losing prompts. Yeah, that perfect prompt that I put in 3 weeks ago that ChatGPT churned out the perfect response for, I can't find it. And if you're anything like me, you are losing great content in your search history. But don't worry, there's an app for that. My name is Amanda Spann. I'm America's leading app educator. I teach non-technical and first-time founders how to work with developers to bring their app ideas to life, and with existing business owners who want to integrate app-based technology into their companies so they can grow and scale faster. The app is called Superpower ChatGPT. You can find it by searching Superpower ChatGPT on Google, which gives you the option of installing it on your Chrome or Firefox browser. You can also find it on your Chrome store from the drop down on your actual browser. And lastly, I've included a direct link below for your convenience. Now, once you've searched and found Superpower ChatGPT, just download it and add it in your browser. After it's installed, your ChatGPT will update automatically. Now, when you open ChatGPT, you'll see a search bar in the upper left corner. Click it, and a new window will open up where you can search by keyword. From there, you can preview the threads that keyword appears in, or you can open those threads in a new tab. It's just that easy. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe so I can send you more app hacks. And if you are interested in building an app, visit the description where we have a link to sign up for our next program opening. Hope to work with you soon.